What up, YouTube, man? It's your girl, Shula, man, and it's an update video for y'all, man, because I ain't did one in so long, man, and I ain't really posted no music, you know what I'm saying, except for that house party little video, whatever, like, but, man, my mixtape, Don't Sleep, will be coming out real fucking soon, man. You know what I'm saying? My team just been getting shit together, you know what I'm saying? We got video shoots coming up, photo shoots, you know what I'm saying? We got a lot of shit going on, you know what I'm saying? Like, so y'all really will be seeing me, my nigga. This shit ain't no game, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been in at the studio, you know what I'm saying? I got my own mic, my own little studio and shit, so, you know what I'm saying? I get to shit, you know what I'm saying, when I'm able to. So, for everybody, you know what I'm saying, who been requesting little dance videos and shit, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing them to my best ability, man. Like, I've been having a lot of shit going on, you know what I'm saying? Like, mentally, emotionally, you know what I'm saying? Physically, you know what I'm saying? Just having life going on, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not perfect. And I don't try to act like it, you feel me? I just be real all the time. So, shout out everybody that's been fucking with me, you know what I'm saying? Watching the videos, you know what I'm saying? Requesting shit, you know what I'm saying? Follow me on SoundCloud at DA space CO space OP, the co-op, you know what I'm saying? Majority of my tracks is all on there, you know what I'm saying? I got this shit from my nigga called Super Tweaky. That shit is crazy. But mixtape coming out real soon, man. Shout out my nigga Tay Looney, man, for hopping on the tracks with me. Shout out my nigga Selly, man, for being the beast off the block. You feel me? Fucking with the nigga since day one, man. I've been doing my nigga Selly since I was like 15, 16. You feel me? I'm 23 now. For all y'all there's those that don't know, I'm 23. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. That's where I reside right now. As far as my relationship status, unknown for all of y'all. But on some real shit, man, I just been grinding, man, for real, man. Trying to, you know what I'm saying, give everybody what they want, man, as far as, you know what I'm saying, me being an artist, you know what I'm saying. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, I'm still finding myself, you know what I'm saying, like, I got my own different style or whatever, like, but I'm still finding me as an artist, you know what I'm saying. So what you hearing now from me is not all of me that you getting, you know what I'm saying. It's just a little portion, a little part, a little piece, you know what I'm saying. But like, I got the mixtape coming out real soon. Like, matter of fact, I'm playing this little track for y'all right quick. But y'all go hear the whole track, you know what I'm saying. I just want y'all to get an idea of what y'all gonna hear from me. And my nigga Tay Looney. You feel me? That's a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all hear the whole track. But I got some fire for y'all, man. Like, for real, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been, you know what I'm saying, trying to get to the, you know what I'm saying, the tracks for the ladies, man. Ladies, I got y'all. I really got y'all. I got this song called Say Yes, 1 in a Million, and I did my own little version to that Rihanna Skin, man. So follow me on the SoundCloud, man. You can follow me at Twitter, too. I don't really fuck with it, but it's IDONTCUFFBYCHS. That's I Don't Cuff Bitches. At Twitter, man, YouTube, y'all watching my shit, so you know what I mean? Subscribe, share me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got some shit coming for y'all, but I'm gonna keep this, you know what I'm saying, under the 5-minute radar. But, yeah, man, I got some shit coming for y'all, man. Don't Sleep mixtape coming real soon. Video shoots, photo shoots, you know what I'm saying? The team sweeping the streets, you know what I'm saying? It will be out here, and it will be on iTunes for y'all. It will be on Reverb Nation, on the app, you know what I'm saying? I'm throwing it on the SoundCloud, you know what I'm saying? When we get the music videos all together, man, I'm going to put them up here for y'all, man. So really be looking out, man. I'm a solo artist, you know what I'm saying? I got my team, you know what I'm saying? That's FTMG, that's Family Ties Music Group, you know what I'm saying? But, we here, man. Y'all gonna see us real fucking soon, man. So, shout out to all y'all that's out there doing y'all fucking thing. For real, big ups to Angel Hayes, man, because, yo, mommy got crazy ass fire. If you not hip to her, you sleeping, my nigga. That's why my mixtape called Don't Sleep, because y'all niggas be napping. But on that note, man, I'm out of here, man. It's Shula, man. Fuck with me, man. You already know what it is, man. Lyrical.